Hi, I'm Grete from Scandinavian Today. I'm going to bake a cake which we in Denmark call Icelandic layercake, which translates to Icelandic layercake. Actually, there are not that many layers, but I think it's a delicious one, and I hope you also enjoy it. I'm going to use 4 pasteurized egg whites, 1 cup of coconut, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. I'm going to mix those ingredients first. Then the next step to mix is 4 pasteurized egg yolks, 4 ounces of butter, and also 4 ounces of chocolate. And then I have half a cup of heavy cream. So let's start mixing the first 3 ingredients. And the egg whites are nice and stiff now. And I'm going to add the coconut as well as the powdered sugar to the whipped egg whites. And I'll mix it all up. And here you see the baking pan which I floured. First I buttered it and then I floured, and I'm now going to put in the batter. So I'll start baking my cake. And another day in the future I will make another Icelandic cake that has a lot of layers, and I think it's also very good. And I just took the cake out of the oven. It's still hot, and of course I have to make the chocolate frosting now. So let's get started with that. And here I have a bowl with chocolate. I'm going to put it in the microwave and melt it. So here we have the butter. I melted it. And I'm going to add the egg yolks. The pasteurized egg yolks, of course. Mix them in here. And here comes the melted chocolate. And just keep whipping it up and mix it up thoroughly. Oh, I forgot to mention, you should also add about half a cup of powdered sugar. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then I can add it on the cake. So here you see the cake. I just took it out of the oven. It's a little bit brown on the top, which is perfect. So the cake has cooled down, and I can now cover it with chocolate. And after the chocolate is on, I will add the whipped cream. So here comes the chocolate part, and I smear it all over. And here we have it all over the cake. And I'm whipping the cream for the cake. And I'm now adding the whipped cream to the cake. Just all the way around. And I'm ready to have a slice of my Icelandic cake. So here we go. Here's a nice big piece. And here you can see we do have a lot of coconut in the cake. And this is going to be delicious. It's very good. Really nice. I like it a lot. Skål. Hopefully you will also enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you another day. All the best.